In 2022, Pakistan was devastated by a massive monsoon that impacted 33 million people, causing significant damage to infrastructure, agriculture, houses, and livelihoods, and resulting in numerous casualties. SAP Pakistan launched an emergency response project titled Humanitarian Assistance for Vulnerable Communities Affected by the Disasters in Pakistan, funded by the European Commission's Civil Protection and Humanitarian Aid Operations to address the situation.
My name is Humanitarian and I am Monitoring, Evaluation, Accountability and Learning Manager at CESVI. Pakistan is at high risk from natural disaster to climate change, and events such as drought, earthquake, flood have haunted the country for years, and every time the disaster it swept away the foundations on which the lives of hundreds and thousands of families are built. SAP Pakistan is one of the organizations who responded immediately after this devastating flood of 2022 and provided multi-purpose cash, non-food items, and more importantly, the clean drinking water to the community to meet their urgent needs.
The project aimed to relieve the worst affected by the floods in Sindh province, from distributing emergency supplies to implementing recovery and rehabilitation interventions. SASVI's comprehensive approach catered to the various needs of more than 250,000 people across 6 districts in Sindh and Punjab. The interventions included multi-purpose cash assistance, restoring water, sanitation and hygiene services, shelter rehabilitation, livelihood support, livestock vaccination, and community rebuilding.
मुंहिंजो मुड़ुस हिन दुनिया में न आहे, बेवा मुंहिंजा बच्चा आहिनि 6, 4 न्याणियूं आहिनि, 2 दड़ा आहिनि। मुंहिंजो मींहं बरसाति खां पहिरियों सुठो वक़्तु गुज़रंदो हो, पोखी राई कंदा हुआसीं, ॿी ड्यूटी नौकिरी न, पोखी राई कंदा हुआसीं, ॾाढो सुठे तरीक़े सां खाइण पाइण, पंहिंजा बच्चा सुकून में इज़त सां पंहिंजे घरनि में वेठा हुआसीं। जॾहिं बरसाति शुरू थी तॾहिं असांजे कोई घर जेके हुया, बनियूं खेती सॼियूं पाणी थी वियूं। असांजे घर में रहास जी काई जाइ न रही, मथां छतियूं बतियूं किरी पयूं।
ये मन अचानक रात खंड लॻो, पाणी आयो, ॿारनि खे वठी माना वियासीं निकिरी, जॻह मन अचानक सफ़ा किरण लॻाइनि त असां भॼी वियासीं ॿारनि खे वठी। मर्द माण्हू ॿार बुखे रहनि, हेॾे वियो आहे सौदो वठण त मोटे कोन, 4 महीनो असांखे लाश ई कोन लॻी। लाश उहा जेका ट्रोपो ॾींदी आहे उन खां मां जॾी हाँ केर ॿारनि खे खाराईंदे, जेका मशीन उहा बि पाणी में वियो आहे, ख़तमु थी। ॿी जेका इहा थांव 2 आहिनि, इहा हिकिड़ी खट ऐं 2 रिली जेका ॿारनि खे सुम्हारे ॿारनि खे मानी करे खाराईंदे। ॿियो केर बि अधड़ो आहे नंढड़ी, सफ़ा मासूम, इन खे केरु ॾींदो, केरु के वठंदो, कंहिं कंहिंसे किसास तव्हांखे पवंदो तव्हां ॾियोसि, बाक़ी असांजो ॿियो कुझु बि कोन्हे।
रब जा महिरबानियूं, जेको असां सां मुसीबत हो त उहो असां ॾुख लोड़े लही असां पंहिंजे मैदान में वेठा आहियूं, पंहिंजे घरनि में सभु धुप में वेठा आहियूं। जेको सो असांजा बचड़ा 8 ॿार आहिनि मूंखे, ॿार जलियूं वेठा आहियूं धुप में।
The story of SASVI's flood response in Sindh is a testament to the power of collaboration and compassion. Together, we can weather the storm and build a more resilient future. SASVI, with the support of ECHO, continues to work alongside communities in Sindh, helping them rebuild their lives and prepare for future challenges.